One feature I genuinely appreciate on social media platform is post scheduling. It may look like a simple tool, but it teaches a powerful lesson. Work now, rest later. Instead of waiting until 7 p.m. to make a post and then start battling network issue, battery low, glitches here and there, or last minute distraction, you can prepare your content ahead of time, schedule it, and focus on other important tasks. But beyond convenience, scheduling teaches something deeper: trust in preparation. You create the content, put in the work, set the time, and trust that when the moment comes, the platform will do its part and publish it. In many ways, life works the same way. You do the work today, you plant the seed today, you prepare today, then you trust the process enough to believe that the result will come. The confidence you have in scheduling posts, showing up at the right time, should remind you to have confidence in your own work too. Create, prepare, schedule, trust. And when the time comes, let your work speak for itself. I leave you with that. Bye.